Hiya, this is Saoirse agus Seamus and we're in Cairn, Bangor. It's Holyhead in Anglesey Island, Ynys Môns in Wales. And this is the site of a Roman fort in Holyhead, and so I thought I'd share it with you a bit. So if you look over here, all the walls that surround this site are Roman. This is where the Roman fort was after they conquered this part of Wales, and when they killed off all the Draoi on Anglesey Island. And so then they built this church here in the 14th century. It's Eisteddfod, which Eglas in Irish means church, so Eglath is the Welsh version of it. And some of these stones are really ancient from the Roman times too. And then here is St. Caergybi's church, and they built this on the site. And most of the tombstones in the site are from the 1800s that you can read. They generally were ship's captains and people that went to this church at the time. So, and if you look over here, there's a sundial up on the wall there. So when the sun's shining, you can see what time it is. And then in the wee tower here, if you look at the wee little window there, that's where the lepers would come in and listen to the sermon from outside because they weren't allowed inside. And there was a leper colony here. So that's something else, a wee bit of history there. Right now, for some reason, the church is closed. Generally, during the day, it would be open, but we can walk around the site and we can see where the Romans had their fort here. If you look out over the water that way, you can see that that's where the Roman ships would come in. And so it was convenient to come in, and they could walk up here straight away to the fort. Also, behind us, over this way, which you can't see, but on the other side of the Roman walls, that direction, is the mountain, Holyhead there. And on that mountain, they had a signal fire. So there's a signal tower. The foundation of a Roman signal tower is up there. And then there's also some Bronze Age sites up there too, as well, which we're not going to go up there today. But anyway, so I wanted to share this with you. This is the main bit of Holyhead as far as civilization from a bit pre-Roman and Roman times up until the present. So this is like the main place to see. There's also a Maritime Museum, which is just around the corner there. And there's lots of pubs and such and restaurants there. But otherwise, if you're into basking in the record heat temperature today, it's like 30 degrees today. And there's not very much wind, so it's really hot. So anyway, but we're going to go over to some stone circles or Turkle Galani later today. I'll make you a video from there as well. Hiya, this is Saoirse. We're here in Anglesey Island, Ynys Môns, and this is the Trefignath and this is the Cairn. They originally found the bones that they identified 30 women and children here, and it had been a site that was used even before it was a cairn, according to the archaeology that they found here. So anyway, it's a really nice sacred place. We only have a few minutes to be here, and then we're going to the standing stones and we'll pick it up from there. Hiya, this is Saoirse. We're over here now at Tŷ Mawr. That means the large stone in Welsh. I'm not sure if I pronounce it right. Anyway, this is a standing stone in near Holyhead. It's on the island of Anglesey, where we're at today. If you look over there, there's a hailstone against the fence. And then if you look over this way, toward the opposite way, toward Morrison's there, that's the ocean. So we feel the breeze off of the water now finally. So it's over 25 degrees here, which is really hot for here. Well, at least there's a breeze now. And our friend Kristoffer Hughes, he's a Draoi from here, a Draoi. And we were going to meet up with him. We had a couple of times, but they had the Eisteddfod, National Eisteddfod, during the first part of August, so we weren't able to catch up with him. But anyway, and so now we're here this week. Today it's like August 10th or something, or 12th. whatever it is. I don't remember what today is. Let's see. Yes, August. Oh, yeah, well, yeah, it's August 8th, 13th. Anyway, so we made it over here to this, to Tŷ Mawr, or we say more in Irish. And anyway, we're trying to find some of the sites and we're being led wherever we find them. And so it's good. We're trying to avoid all the touristy places for that matter. But anyway, Sneagafo, that's Anglesey in Wales. Slán